Welcome back to PC Error Detective. In this video, I'm going to show you how to force restart Windows 10 so you can quickly fix an unresponsive computer. Step 1. Locate the power button on your laptop or desktop. This button is usually on the side or front of your device, and it controls the main power of your system. Knowing where it is will help you safely turn off your computer when it freezes. Step 2. Press and hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds until the screen turns off and the device powers down completely. Holding it ensures that the computer shuts down forcibly, which is useful when your system is not responding. Step 3. Wait for a few seconds to ensure all internal components have fully stopped. This pause is important because it allows the hardware and memory to reset properly before turning the device back on. Step 4. Press the power button again to turn the computer back on. This will restart your Windows 10 system, and hopefully it will now respond normally. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to PC Error Detective for more helpful tips.